quick little unboxing of the all new old, or should I say the old, all new, all white '07 low top Air Force One, man. Crispy. Real crispy. I'm only in the bathroom doing it because I'm finna get dressed and get ready for the night, but man, look how crispy they are compared to the blacks. Man, these look like the old jones from back, nice slim comfy ones. And I can't wait to try them on and do an on feet with them, but they do look slimmer, a lot less bulky at the toe front, I see. You know, the sides slim back down and they're not as heavy as the new ones. They feel a tad bit lighter, which is great. Look, yeah, these look just like how I remember them. Damn, man, 20 years ago, man. If y'all got y'all pair this summer already, how they feel on your feet? Are they comfy? Do they look different to y'all? Do they look a little slimmer, less bulky than the newer ones they've been creating these past few years? Yeah, these joints are crispy. Always check the other side. Yeah, they look good. Yeah, they crispy. What y'all think though? Y'all think they look better than the ones they've been producing these past few years? Would y'all get a pair? Are you gonna continue to get a pair? It's usually a ritual where I'm from every year. You know, before the summer hits, right before the summer or during the summer, you grab you a pair of all whites. These past few years, I ain't been grabbing them because they've been too bulky and weird looking. But yeah, these actually look real nice. I could feng shui with these. What y'all think though? Y'all got y'all's? Are they comfy? Let me know.